Hey guys, welcome back to Toy Review TV. This time we have a huge Kinder Surprise egg opening. We have 12 of these new Kinder Surprise Sprinty eggs to open. We do get cars, motorbikes, all kinds of awesome vehicles included. These are of course for boys. I do have the girls ones to come as well, so do stay tuned for that. But let's open all 12 of these eggs and see what we get inside. So here are all the toys we got. We got all 4 of the mini cars, so that is a huge bonus. We had one of these see-through top cars, we had 3 of the bikes, a lion, a cheetah and a scorpion, and we had 3 of these vehicles with these aircraft inside. They do just flip up and the aircraft comes out, and we have 3 of those. Here are some other kinds of vehicles you can get in these Sprinty eggs. You can get these bikes with a motorised rear wheel, and these do wheelies. You can also get these vehicles as well, which have a motorised engine inside. You pull them back and let them go, and they do go driving away. And you can also get these vehicles with an elastic band on the rear and a firing trigger. You put that on and pull the trigger at the back, and they will drive away. So there they are, guys, the Sprinty Kinder eggs. You do get some very cool vehicles included in these surprise eggs. Well, thanks for joining in the fun. Please do rate, comment and subscribe, and I will see you here next time on Toy Review TV.